me. Give it to me. Go. Good morning. We're up to our same old antics. Today's gonna be a busy day. It is flight night tonight. So I have to go get ingredients and get them prepped for the evening. So things like strawberries and jalapenos. Definitely need more lime juice. Don't need any more liquor, which is nice. And then I am also going to get all the ingredients to make the dipping sauces for this weekend, so I can get those made and out of the way. And that's one last thing that I need to do tomorrow, because tomorrow I need to get all of this stuff prepped to make the chili for Saturday. And I need to prep a banner. Like, there's just a lot of things that need to happen tomorrow. I have a customer coming to get a lamp. So there's a lot of things that need to happen in the next 48 hours to make Saturday successful. So we are trying to get some energy out right now. He's gonna bark at me because I don't know why. It's fine. We're like that sometimes. Anywho, it's gonna be a busy day. So come along. Oh, sorry, Mose. So I am just back from Ames. So I got all the ingredients I needed. I stopped at a couple of different thrift stores and picked some things up. I stopped at my parents and grabbed some produce because they have a whole bunch and we needed some. And I'm so frustrated I could freaking just about scream. Yesterday I got the rejection email from one of the grant competitions that I don't know that I thought we had a very good shot at getting it, but the second one I thought we had a pretty solid shot, and I got my freaking rejection email from that one today. I'm really frustrated. Like, without the grant funding, we can't move forward in good conscience with this project with the way the economy is, without having some external funding for it, external funding source. And I made the mistake of asking who the other finalists were, which ended up frustrating me more. It just, yeah. I feel a wave of negative energy around me right now. I know that sounds really woo-woo, but I feel like I just need to snap out of it and just, it is what it is. But right now I'm really bummed about it, but I need to snap out of it because I got things to do. I got experiences to provide for people, and we just have to keep going. We don't, like, there's no choice. I can't sit here and wallow and be really sad that somebody didn't pick me, that two people didn't pick me. But, like, the frustration level with this one is exponentially worse, especially because then I was asked to serve on an advisory board for them. Like, I can't keep doing these things for people, expecting things in return at the detriment of my business and the things that I need to get done, when I literally am seeing not any benefit from it. Don't get me wrong, people know who I am, networking, all of that stuff. But I think the moral of this story is I need to be more ruthless with my time and what I commit to, which is unfortunate. It feels like it's not like me. I like to help, definitely a helper. But we need to focus, like Willie and I need to focus on our businesses and do what we have to do to build these, because what we're building is important. And we can't be given to everybody else all the time. Like, there has to be some reciprocation, perceived or actual, monetary or otherwise. So yeah, that's how I feel. I need to unload the car, and then I gotta take the dog to the trail, and then I gotta get stuff prepped for flight night, and then see what the rest of my, like, what time I have before flight night. Freaking here's hoping that sales are decent tonight. I could use a win at this stage. Like, really, truly, honestly, could absolutely use a win. Man, freaking roll with the punches. All right, out of eating lunch. We're out on the trail. They're not as grumpy. Something about food and nature. I'll just kind of snap you out of it, right, Mose? Right? Come in. Let's go. I mean, I'm still frustrated, but like, I at least don't feel like I'm on the verge of tears right now. Sorry. Live to fight another day. Cue the prep work for flight night. So our flights, I muddle fresh strawberries and fresh jalapenos in the drinks that require them. So there's a strawberry version of each of the drinks in each of the flights, and then the jalapenos go into the margarita flights. That being said, I am kind of reconsidering, and I feel like there needs to be a spicy version of a Moscow Mule and a mojito as well. So that may go into more than just the margaritas in the future, but slice them up because it makes them easier later to muddle. All right, it's 3 o'clock. I need to unload the dishwasher, load the dishwasher, probably need to shower, or maybe I won't shower. I won't shower till after flight night. Anyway, I need to make table topper signs that go in my little plastic table topper things, get all of the tables set up. It's really windy, so I don't know how I feel about umbrellas right now. So get all of that done, and then we'll see how much time I have left. I need to go get ice too. I cannot forget to get ice. Cannot forget to get ice. Got ice. And now I forgot I need to fill the water tank. So I'm gonna fill the water tank next. The hose we store in the back storage room. So I will get it hooked up and then drug out there. Goes through a little hole in the fence over the back. We have a spigot in here. Fill it up. I should be done. It is 3:43. I should hopefully be done before 4 o'clock. Like, filled up, thing rolled back up and put away. See it? Right there. Forgot. The water is filling. So that tank, it'll probably take, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes. So should make my goal. Probably closer to 5 minutes, if I'm honest, to fill that tank up. We're only going to there-ish. We don't go all the way to the top. 11 minutes. 11 minutes is what it took to unroll, hook up, fill up, build, fill up, re-roll, hang it. So, okay. I still need to, I was able during that time to set up all of the tables. So I put bug spray, here I'll just flip around. Put the bug spray and the flowers on all the tables. I'm not gonna open the umbrellas at the moment. It's really windy. Maybe the wind will die down a little bit. I mean, we're pretty sheltered. It's a south wind. This building shelters us from the south, but for now I'm just gonna leave those. I have printed the things that need to go in here that need to take the place of these. So I will go get those, cut them, put them in. And then I need to eat something and get all of the stuff that I got today needs to be put out, needs to be priced and put out on display. Most of it's books, so it doesn't need price tags. Those are just flat price, which is nice, but also I'm gonna water the mums real quick before I go do all that. It's 4 o'clock already. Shoot. Fortunately, I'm committed to the hat because I have hat hair, so I'm gonna, this dress looks the least goofy with it. and I need to wear a dress because it is hot. So I'm about to eat some of my gluten-free and chicken pasta that I made last night. I also added some turkey to it because I just need a little extra protein. So I'm gonna snarf this down. It is 4:35, almost 4:40. So I need to go. Like, I need to stop talking to you. Okay, I'm open. The taco truck is here. Only thing I don't have placed are a pile of books right there. They're sitting in the chair, but I think I might just leave them there for now. Made it. So here's the thing about flight night that I didn't think about when I started it, that this would be the most difficult part. Every order for a flight that I get, I'm mixing 4 drinks, which, like, duh, but I didn't think about it when I launched flight night. And then when it got popular, I really was like, wow, what have I done to myself? So this, I'm making a flight of margaritas. So there's a strawberry, a classic, a pineapple jalapeno, and a coconut. I rim the spicy one with tahini. All right, that is flight night done. For as nice as it was really slow. The food truck was happy enough with it, it seemed like. He's gonna try to come back. He may not be able to come back next week, but he is definitely gonna come back the following week. So, I don't know. It's been a long day. Tomorrow will be a good one.